So yung high tea namin is plant-based. So on top is dessert. Then next is hot, no?
Yeah.
Hot. Yung hot items. Then sa ilalim po yung food items. So sa taas po, yung desserts. First sa middle po is rose water-infused watermelon. Then ito po sa harap is banana scones. On top is tofu. Siya po dapat yung cottage cheese if ever na dapat, kung hindi siya plant-based, cottage cheese po yung nilalagay siya usually. So tofu po yung nilagay namin. Then next is brownies. Vegan brownies po siya, so hindi siya nag-contain ng milk or eggs. Then next is on the glass po is strawberry parfait. So yung cream po usually is gagawa sa dairy based. So ito po vegetable cream yung gamit namin. Then lastly, ito po yung panipuri na sa likod po. Ito po siya yung panipuri. May dulce and banana siya sa loob. So basically para siyang turon yung style niya. So may crunches sa labas, then banana sa loob.
Sige. First, here, kidney bean and quinoa slider with eggless mayo and pickled radish. And then omnipork meatballs. Ito gawa siya sa plant-based. Tapos ang sauce niya spinach and vegan cheese yung pinaka-dip niya. Tapos top with dried beetroot dehydrated, and then next is hominy meat stuffed fried tofu. Here. Yung pinang-wrap dyan, Vietnamese wrapper, and then meron siyang fried tofu inside pouch. And then next, crispy omni crab cake with kimchi coconut dip.
Mix ka na.
This is a club sandwich, but instead we use the meat, pork meat, or we use the vegetable base. Then instead of bacon, I use the carrots. We make carrots with the egg, caramelize the carrots in honey, and also instead of we use the egg, we use the tofu for the egg white, and the pumpkin puree for the egg yolk, with tomato and mashed lettuce. And also the mayo, instead we use the mayonnaise, we use the plant-based also. And this one is vegetable spring roll with the pork egg, omni pork, but is made from the vegetable also. And also this one open face sandwich, made from the omni crab meat. And this one also the crispy wrapper, then the caramelized eggplant and caramelized onion. That's everything is made from the vegetable.